As one of the well-known manufacturers of lifting tables in China, Contuo actively seizes the opportunity of the times and makes growth in the smart home. Facing fierce competition in the global market, Contuo relies on the core competitiveness of R&D and the complete manufacturing of the product. In 2013, the company formed a team to entirely produce products that meet customer needs and test products completely. Besides, the company has obtained more than 40 patent certifications. Providing products used in commercial office, medical, and other fields, we improve users' experience of the product. Our products have got various international certifications. Compared with similar products, our products are more attractive, reliable in quality, and stable in operation. Contuo employs advanced transmission technology from Danish and expert motor manufacturing technology from Germany. With excellent manufacturing standards and efficient sales services, it has won the admiration of many customers. Moreover, the company focuses on the innovation of technology, builds standardized sheet metal workshops and plastic spring lines, and employs welding robots for automation to ensure the quality of large-scale production and improve production efficiency, providing complete services for OEM customers. Contuo has won many awards in China by its professional production and integrity. Today, our products have been distributed in more than 100 countries worldwide, employing foreign advanced technology, enhancing our core technology, and aiming to achieve more in new materials and high-end applications. Contuo will strive to be a leader in the global smart home market.